Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where we bring you heavenly recipes straight from our kitchen to yours. Today, we're whipping up something truly divine, a cheesy cheddar pizza bake that's bound to become a family favorite and also appropriate for anyone following a keto diet. So, let's dive right in. To start off, grab yourself a large mixing bowl. We'll begin by adding a generous amount of grated cheddar cheese. Next, crack in 2 eggs for that perfect binding. Now let's add tahini and vinegar, followed by a pinch of Himalayan salt and freshly ground black pepper and dried thyme for seasoning. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Mix everything together until it's well combined. Once our cheesy mixture is ready, we'll spread it evenly into our oven pan, creating a delicious base for our pizza bake. Now, here comes the fun part, topping our cheesy base with all the goodies. Let's start by spreading a generous layer of pizza sauce on top, then some sliced olives for a burst of flavor, followed by a handful of grated mozzarella cheese for that gooey cheesy goodness. Now, let's add some savory slices of salami for that meaty indulgence, and for a pop of color and freshness, let's sprinkle on some diced red and green bell peppers. Finally, a touch more thyme for that herbaceous aroma. Our cheesy cheddar pizza bake is now ready to hit the oven. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop it in for about 20 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. And there you have it. A cheesy cheddar pizza bake that's bursting with flavor and guaranteed to satisfy even the pickiest of eaters. Thank you for joining me today in Heaven's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heavenly recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!